So it's day 12 of learning Python, and today I'll learn string methods in Python. String methods are tools we can use to work with text. I took a variable called name and used input to ask the user to enter a name. There are a lot of things you can do with strings, and I used 9 methods. There are more, but right now I learned 9 methods. I assigned a result variable to each method. The first one is len. Len is used to find the length of the strings. It gives the number of characters in the string, including spaces. The next one is find. Find is used to find the first appearing letter or word in a sentence. For example, if I search for H, it will find the first H in Clash of Clans. The next one is rfind. It works like find, but it finds the first appearing letter from the opposite side, from the end of the string. The fourth one is capitalize. It capitalizes the first letter in the name. For example, if I enter Clash of Clans, it will capitalize the first C. The fifth one is upper. Upper simply converts the whole string to uppercase, as you can see on the screen. The sixth one is lower. This method simply converts the entire string to lowercase. The seventh one is digit. This is a Boolean method that checks if the string contains only digits. If there are only digits, it will print 1. If there are alphabets and no digits, it will print -1. And if there are both alphabets and numbers, it will still print -1. The eighth one is alpha. It's similar to digit, but the opposite. It checks if the string contains only alphabets. If there are only alphabets, it will print 1. If there are none, it will print -1. And if there are both numbers and alphabets, it will still print 1. The last one is count. This is used to count how many times a specific letter or symbol appears in a string. For example, if I want to see how many C letters are in Clash of Clans, it will tell me the result. In this case, there are 2 Cs. At the end, I made a simple program. First, I took a variable called dash and asked the user to enter the star symbol, asterisk. Then, I used the count method to count how many asterisks the user entered. Finally, I printed a message saying, "You entered number asterisks." As you can see on the screen, it shows exactly how many the user typed.